Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where I show you one setting that can drastically improve your performance on Linux. And for me, I've had some experience with it because immediately after I put the setting, I felt a much faster performance increase, and so I wanted to share it so that you guys can also experience it too. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today I'm going to show you how to change your swappiness value in Linux to a more preferred value. So swappiness is like this thing that changes your RAM from like the RAM to like your drive. Like in like Windows, there's this swap thing. Like you can take some RAM from your hard drive and use it in your PC. So it's the same way, but this is like the percentage on how fast it will do it. And when I set this value to 10, my computer became so much faster. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a very simple steps. So I have the text editor here with all the commands. So there are two methods you can use. One is a kind of easy method, but sometimes it won't be permanent. And this method is very okay, but if maybe there's a system override and upgrade, it might not stay. But then the second method is permanent. Okay, so this is what we do now. So this is what we do. So the first step, I want you to open your terminal. So just press Ctrl-Alt-T. So the first step requires going to changing our configuration file. Settings, don't worry, this won't break anything. So look, I'm a beginner, so I still don't know the commands. So just type in here sudo nano /sysctl.configuration, and then I'm gonna type in my password. Now what I'll do is nano 2. So use your arrow keys to go down the end of the file. So at the end of the file, if it's not here already, you'll see vm.swappiness. So if it's not here, just put a value at the end that says vm.swappiness equals 10. So you're gonna put this value, vm.swappiness equals 10. Then after you type, you type that inside here. Okay. Then after you put it or copy pasted, you press Ctrl O, and then you click enter, and you click Ctrl X to exit. So now we're out. So now this is how you can confirm. After I've done that, just type in sudo sysctl.p to apply the changes, and you should see vm swappiness equals 10. Then if you wanna verify, just type in cat/proc /sys/vm /swappiness, and then it should return 10. Now this second one is very fast. Just copy paste this command from the description. I actually have to verify it because I did this with AI. So here it is. Here's the preferred method. So just use a single command, type this in, copy paste it from the description, and then you copy, and then you just press Ctrl-Shift-V or just click paste, and then you click enter, and then you can do cat/proc again /okay. If you want to go back the previous command, press the up arrow key, and it should give you 10. So that's how you do it. And now there's another command you're supposed to use in order to verify to apply the changes. So I have here, this shows that I verified it. You type in this sudo sysctl-system. If it does not show 10, we're using this other method. Okay, so you just type in sudo sysctl, then 2 dashes, then system, and then at the bottom I just saw vm swappiness 10, and then I verified with cat proc swappiness 10. So that's how you change the swappiness. You should see a dramatic difference in how your system manages the swap. So that's the way to do it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more tips for Linux, and have a good day.